But here's what you really want. Here's what you want, the coup de grace. You want the ability to keep the same tempo, but at the same time, change the pitch.
Check this out.
On yesterday, we talked about how you can time stretch by pitch shifting. Now, what we did is we used the shift button on the Maschine Plus. You can also use this on the MK3 as well. We used this to give us additional functionality. But what we were doing, we were focusing on the group, or we were focusing on one sample. But here's what you really want. Here's what you want, the coup de grace. You want the ability to keep the same tempo, but at the same time, change the pitch. So what we're going to do today is we're not going to focus on the sampler. I'm going to change that from a sampler to an audio sound. So I'm going to hit down on a 40 encoder. So you can't really see it that well. So I'm going to kind of bring it up some. You have the audio right there, right? That's what you want. You want to hit that and get audio or select audio. Make sure you support the channel. Then I can buy an overhead stand. You want that. You're going to push down on the 40 encoder. Now it's become a loop, so to say. If you take a real good look, see there it says loop. So what we want to do now with this is, see where you have loop here? We don't want it to be a loop. We want to change that to gate, all right? So that's going to change to gate. Once we change it to gate, we're going to have more control over the sample. If you leave it on loop, it's just going to loop it over and over and over. But now you have the ability to control it, okay? You control when it fades, tunes, pitch bends, and Formant. The beauty of Formant is that you can change the pitch of it and still keep the tempo the same. So listen, there's my beat. Now check this out. Speed it up. Now, the one thing I will say about that is that sometimes you'll have to play with the source tempo, and sometimes you'll have to change the length if you want it to fit. So here's stretch. You might want to use stretch, because you can use stretch as well. So this is how we actually you see that the same tempo. So you see that? So you can use stretch or you can use Formant. What you need to do is just play around with it and see what you like and see how you can use it to change your music production. If you found value in this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you want to learn how you can adjust your samples bit by bit or incrementally, then watch this video right here. It'll teach you how to pitch shift and time stretch. Watch this video.